Example 10.4. Using Jensen errands, page 279, figure 10.11. 1. Open the Excel workbook. 2. Go to errands. 3. In the OR_MM, select linear/integer. 4. Give a name to your problem. 5. Select the objective of your problem. For this example, the objective is a maximization. 6. Provide the information on the number of variables and constraints of your problems. For this example, the number of variables and constraints are both 2. 7. Since all the variables are restricted to integer values, select the All option in the integer variables. 8. Select the Include minimum. This will assure the non-negativity of the problem. 9. Select the Jensen LP/IP and unselected the Make Random problem. 10. Now press OK. 11. A new window is now open as seen in the video. 12. Provide all the information as shown in the video. Now press Solve and the green colored cells will give us the solution to the problem. But never forget to check the status of the solution. The status should be shown as optimal. The maximum value of the objective function is also seen as profit.